current affairs, which is purely about the day-to-day happenings and will tell you and will update you about the news. The Press Information Bureau, or the PIB, is a website which will allow you to get an update of what all is happening, who is coming, who's going, then what all government schemes are being launched, their performances. Everything is very nicely analyzed here, and you'll get, if you subscribe to the feed of all ministries, you'll get it on your ID, and then you can choose depending upon the syllabus of UPSC as well as the previous year paper question trends. So you can decide as for which and what all is important and not. So the next website is about the news on AIR. This has all the programs that are aired on the national radio. I especially listen to the program News Analysis, which is a 14-minute program but has a good understanding about issues, and you can hear it in Hindi as well. The next website is GK Today. Here I used to solve the daily quiz which was there. Daily about 10 questions are posted, and they are related to current affairs. So it's a good revision as well. The Rajya Sabha TV YouTube channel is a wonderful source for covering your current affairs. Especially I used to listen to the Big Picture and India's World, which deepens our understanding of issues, and the debates really help us. Now we will move on to the websites which are completely oriented towards UPSC preparation. So there are 3 websites that have played a huge role in my entire preparation, and I have grown as an aspirant towards being a person who's able to write good answers with a good knowledge base only because of the support of these websites, I will say. The first is Insights on India. Now, the best initiative that I felt of this is the Secure initiative, where they actually give you questions daily, and they also give the reference articles. So I used to read those articles first and then wrote my own answers, and then I uploaded it on the Discuss platform. So I reviewed other people's answers and other students reviewed mine. So that was a good learning that came from this end. And apart from it, there are daily current affairs, and there is quiz, there are editorials, there is topper strategy. So all of these things you can refer to from this website. It is really helpful. I also refer to the last 6 or 7 tests for the prelims examination from this website, and I found them really helpful. The next website is IAS Baba. Now this also has helped me really well. The TLP program of IAS Baba is very good, and they post questions. They categorize the syllabus first of all, and according to that they post questions. Even the essay questions or essay topics are mentioned, and you are supposed to write answers. For prelims, there's a 60-day program kind of a thing which they run. So when I was giving my prelims, I also referred to that as well, and I subscribed to the All India Prelims Test Series of IAS Baba as well. So and there's an interview program which was there, which they used to where they used to post the questions for the interview. So many such initiatives I benefited from it. The third one website which I'd like to mention is the Forum IAS blog. Now, the 2 things that I was really regular following on this was, first was the 9 p.m. brief, where the entire news of the entire day, they just provide the gist of it, and I used to revise it every single day. And the second initiative that I also religiously followed was the 10 p.m. quiz. So they post about 6 to 7 questions or 5 to 6 questions. You can solve those MCQs. And apart from that, there are motivational articles. Somebody under the name Neon writes it. So these articles, when you read it, you feel on track with the exam with everybody else. So you could just take help from all of these websites. They will help you out to keep a track of your preparation, and even if you are away, they won't